So yeah, hey everyone. Apologies for the short delay there, but yeah, I just wanted to thank everyone for being here, spending time at Warehouse 5 in particular, and of course to the Taipei Blockchain Week event organizers for this event and this opportunity to talk about Bonk. So let's dive right into Bonk's ecosystem. Um, in Bonk, there are these different independent aligned teams that are focused on providing value, building different unique products and integrations. You may be familiar with other of the teams here, like BonkBot, Bonk for Pause, which I'll be diving into throughout the presentation. Essentially, these independent aligned teams are focused on providing an avenue for community engagement and overall just displaying how Bonk can be utilized within the Solana ecosystem. So among the different products and integrations within the Bonk ecosystem, one of these is Bonk Rewards. So in here, you can lock Bonk, earn rewards from the Bonk Rewards pool. You have the choice to lock your Bonk for 1 month, 3 months, 6 or 12 months. The longer you lock, the higher the rewards multiplier, and this also varies based on how much Bonk is in the rewards pool. At the same time, we also have this weekly snapshots for the Bonk reward lockers. Essentially, different partners, different communities within the Solana ecosystem can look into using these JSON files. These contain the list of wallets who have locked Bonk for a specific duration. Next one is Bonk Bets. This is a Web3 sports book by Lucky Dragontail. You can bet Bonk, Sol, USD without having to deposit any. It's a fun way to utilize your Bonk. I don't know if any of you have watched and maybe made a prediction on who would win between Jake Paul, Mike Tyson. There are also a variety of different sports, football, basketball, hockey, and what have you. This is a really fun way to use your Bonk. There's also like a monthly leaderboard to compete against other users, and there are other incentives for being on top of the monthly leaderboard. You can also there's also this affiliate program, sharing links, providing a way to share your link and allow your friends to get into Bonk Bets as well. Next one would be Moonwalk. This is something I use quite often. It's a fitness accountability app that helps users develop sustainable habits with financial incentives. The way it works is there's these different games on the platform you can join. These games have a minimum set of steps you need to achieve on a daily basis for a specific time frame. So, for example, for 1 week, your goal is to have a minimum step count of 7,000 steps. You join with the other friends, other random users within the ecosystem, and you lock your Bonk. Let's say you lock 1 million Bonk in the platform, and essentially, each day you fail to achieve those 7,000 steps, there's going to be a consequence where that 1 million Bonk goes into the pool, and for those who do achieve the 7,000 steps for the entire week, share that pool. So it's a really fun way to be accountable with your steps, seeing how other friends are also achieving the minimum step count, and also just a fun way to possibly earn money. SaturnBot, quite similar to BonkBot if you're familiar with that. It's a speedy Telegram trading bot, but it's more for trading runes. And through this platform, you can also bridge Bonk or Sol to BTC as easy as just clicking a few buttons in the Telegram bot. Bonk Live is a token launchpad, helping projects launch on Solana and also easily getting empowered through the power of community of Bonk. So, as mentioned earlier, in Bonk Rewards, there's this weekly snapshots. So, for example, one of the coins that have been launched, so Simon's Cat, if you're familiar with that, recently transitioned from the Binance chain to the Solana chain. And Bonk was able to do that through Bonk Live. And if you were able to lock your Bonk for 12 months, you were essentially able to purchase Simon's Cat at an earlier date and at a discount. So being able to lock your bonk for 12 months already provided more value to bonk holders and users in the ecosystem. And yeah, next one is Bonkmark. This is another platform I really find interesting. It's a card sending platform connecting people globally. You can easily send love just through Bonk. The way it works is we have a variety of cards here. So we had a few Bonk-themed cards for Thanksgiving, maybe for celebratory occasions like graduation or maybe even birthdays. You can just choose one of the many cards we have. We had other themed cards like for Father's Day, Mother's Day, and what have you. You can select a card, choose how much bonk you want to send for your nephew and how much once they graduate, sending them bonk, and they don't even have to be well versed in the crypto space. All you need is their email. Even your granddad, who has no idea about technology, can receive bonk through this platform. And at the same time, once they do receive it, there's a whole onboarding process that the site provides for them. So they can off-ramp it or use it within other platforms within Bonk as being presented today. Another one is Pooper Scooper. It's a platform to easily clean up your wallets and in Bonk. It's a pretty fun, unique name to have. If you've been in the crypto space, active in Twitter and whatnot, one obvious trend is the rise of meme coins. And Pooper Scooper helps with if you have been trading with like 50 or 100 coins, you're able to easily filter out which ones you haven't been actively looking at. And essentially, you can convert all of these into Bonk if you don't find any use case for them anymore. Next is Bonk for Paws. It's a charitable initiative that aims to brighten the future for both animals and humans. Bonk for Paws partners with different charities. I think there are like currently 8 as of the moment, building out more partnerships for that, and directly working with the Giving Block to essentially on our website of bonkforpaws.com, you can view the variety of charities, select one of them, and donate Bonk to them. As easy as connecting your wallet and clicking a few buttons. Some of the partner charities also had Turtle Race, and in collaboration with Bonk Bets, Bonk for Paws created a site for users to have a fun way to choose and win some Bonk by choosing which turtle would win. There's also this Team Bao Bao animation that's being developed and is directly in relation for each partnered charity within Bonk for Paws. And also the shirt I'm wearing is from the merch of Bonk for Paws. We've had several fashion shows in several different events from before, like Breakpoint and Hacker Houses of Solana. So you can buy merch, ton of shirts, ton of hoodies. And Bonk for Paws is also where Nom was able to win the Guinness World Record for walking the most amount of dogs in one walk. So yeah, that was through Bonk for Paws. So having explained all of these different products and integrations, these lead into the upcoming Burnmas event for Bonk towards the latter part of December. There's supposed to be a video here. Essentially, if you head over to burnmas.com, it's showcasing how these different products and these different integrations, how we're pulling data and just actively trying to see how much of these products and integrations are being utilized. So for example, we're counting how many bets have been made on Bonk Bets, how many steps have been walked through the platform of Moonwalk. From our Team Bao Bao Animation YouTube channel, how many people have been watching our different videos. Through this upcoming event, essentially, this is a way to burn more Bonk, up to 1 trillion Bonk. And yeah, Burnmas is an accumulation and a way to showcase how these different products and integrations are being utilized. So for that, there are what this essentially transitions into is this Bonk hackathon. So far we've been meeting users where they're at. We're bringing them to Solana. We're making products that consumers want to use. And now to today, we're answering the question of what do we want you to build as well. So main objective here is to create a social gamified decentralized application on the Solana blockchain, and also showcasing how Bonk can be creatively used within these decentralized applications. The goal for your decentralized application is to promote creativity, innovation, how community engagement can be fostered through the application, and overall display the scalability and the power of the Solana blockchain with the low transaction fees. The requirements for your project should be that Bonk should be used for transactions or interactions. There should be a social and gamification features, having backend functionality, and also at a minimum, smart contracts would be deployed on the Solana DevNet. For the criteria, 25% will be for the creativity of your project, another 25% for technical implementation, 20% on how your project impacts the Bonk ecosystem, another 20 for user experience, and the latter 10 for the quality of your presentation and demo of the app. So having that said, this all leads us into understanding how these different products and integrations within the Bonk ecosystem are being utilized. You can scan the QR code to learn more about the products, maybe even use these products yourself. Onboard your granddad or grandmom to Solana through Bonkmark. Start getting fit through Moonwalk, getting steps in, possibly earning Bonk, and having fun maybe with Bonk bets, playing around with whatever you can. So yeah, with that said, everybody, let's Bonk. Thank you.